Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change speaker volume on 709 M300 dash cam. So as you see already, I have the dash cam. There's two things that you need to have. There's some mini USB cable that you need to plug into the dash cam, and the second one is the phone with installed 709 application. This once you have it installed, it will guide you to connect to your dash cam, and then go to the top right of your corner, the three dots, and scroll down a bit till you see the speaker volume section. Just click on it, and then you can lower it down just by pressing low or medium. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.